Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about does PNC Bank offer mortgage loans? The short answer is yes. PNC Bank offers a wide variety of mortgage loan options for both buying a home and refinancing. They are a national lender, which means they can originate mortgages in all 50 states, even though their physical bank branches are only located in a smaller network of states. Here is a breakdown of the main mortgage options available through PNC Bank. Primary loan types. PNC offers all the standard mortgage products you would expect from a major bank. Conventional loans. These are the most common mortgages and can be used for primary residences, second homes, or investment properties. They offer both fixed-rate and adjustable-rate mortgages, or ARMs, with terms ranging from 10 to 30 years. FHA loans. These are government-backed loans from the Federal Housing Administration. They are popular for first-time homebuyers because they have more flexible qualification requirements and low down payment options, starting as low as 3.5%. VA loans. These are loans for eligible military service members, veterans, and their spouses. They are backed by the Department of Veterans Affairs and can offer competitive rates and, for qualified borrowers, require no down payment. USDA loans. Backed by the U.S. Department of Agriculture, these loans are available for low to moderate income buyers purchasing homes in eligible rural areas, and they can offer zero down payment options. Jumbo loans. If you are looking to finance a loan amount that exceeds the standard conforming loan limits for your area, PNC offers jumbo loans, with financing available for amounts up to $5 million. Specialized and assistance programs. PNC also offers several specialty programs to help different types of borrowers. PNC Community Loan. This is designed for eligible homebuyers and may allow for a down payment as low as 3% with no private mortgage insurance, or PMI, required. Medical Professionals Mortgage, tailored for interns, residents, fellows, and physicians who have completed their residency within the last 5 years. These loans offer financing up to $1.5 million and do not require private mortgage insurance with a down payment less than 20%. Down payment and closing cost assistance. PNC offers grants, such as the PNC Grant, to help qualifying borrowers cover closing costs or to assist with the down payment. The application process. PNC provides a strong digital application process where you can apply for a preliminary pre-approval online without impacting your credit score. If you prefer in-person support, you can work with one of their mortgage loan officers at one of their many branch locations across the Mid-Atlantic, Midwest, and Southeast. In summary, PNC Bank provides a comprehensive suite of mortgage solutions, combining national reach with a variety of specialized options to fit different financial situations. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.